Nabil Khatib at BFI Renovations. Let me take you on a tour on the job we just finished. This room was empty, just concrete floors. Didn't even have any studs on these walls. Beautiful windows, walls, baseboards, beautiful pot lights in the ceiling. And our customer wanted some accent walls. Nice clean bulkheads, a ventilation system. Of course, who doesn't want a walk-in closet? Check this out. Lots of space, tons of space for jackets, for anything you want. Built some shelves for her. And of course, a nice addition, we actually moved this barn door from the other room for the closet. So this closet has two doors. We have the barn door and the other door here. Lots of space, anything you need, we got you. Here, another good part. A piano room. The client wanted a soundproof room, so strong insulation inside, soundproof insulation. We built all the ceilings and all the pot lights and of course all the beautiful baseboards. And there was some plumbing in this wall, so we built this wall a little bit out, dig it out a little bit, built a bit of a sub-wall kind of thing. And of course the beautiful bathroom. Look at this, nice and clean, beautiful mirror, nice lighting in this shower. Ready to go. We're here for your needs. Satisfaction guaranteed.